What are you doing, Uncle T? It's tattoo time. Uncle T's visiting for the weekend. It's been a pretty sweet weekend so far, huh?
Big time.
What have we done so far? We played flag football at the beach.
I scored a touchdown, a 2-point conversion.
I also scored a touchdown and a 2-point conversion. What did we do yesterday? Went out to Korean barbecue. Had some good grub. Today we went to a sushi place. Chowed down to some sushi. And of course, the most practical thing to do after eating sushi is to get a tattoo, right? Is it cool if I film a little bit?
Yeah,
Is that cool with you?
Go for it.
Cool.
Something you be standing, so put your arm out like that. Just stand nice and straight. Yeah, you don't need to flex.
Number of times he's been told that. How's it feeling, T?
Burning. Hot sun on my feet today.
It'll be worth it. Alright, quick and painless, right? Let's see it.
The thing is,
What do you think?
pretty awesome.
Thanks, Jim.
My baby girl.
Got a huge Patriots fan here. He's carrying this thing around. We're gonna go grab some breakfast real quick, and then head over to this New England bar over here in Santa Monica. Check out the rest of the game. They're playing Cleveland, so it should be an interesting game. Going T.
Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. Brady at his best. Comes back with vengeance. But what? This is an annihilation of epic proportions.
Tell me what you really feel.
An obliteration. Yeah,
Great.
What about this? You want the
Some-
stats? You really want the stats?
We had some great waffles.
How about the stats?
How were those waffles?
Waffles or something else.
Yeah.
But I want to show you the stats. I'm interested in the stats. I don't know about you, brother.
I'm interested in the waffles.
You want to see the stats? 248 yards, 14 for 17 for Thomas Bradesman. Holy. How did she get there?
Hey! Of course the Patriots won.
Hey, ho, hey, ho. Of course the Patriots freaking crushed.
The Browns
Brady's
didn't
back.
do too bad.
Brady's back with vengeance, isn't it?
That was that was pretty.
28 for 40, 406 yards. No,
Was that a record?
No record.
440 yards.
Not at all.
What's the
He's
record?
had 500 something.
Yeah.
We're just cruising.
Yeah, it's a super cool bar, huh?
Yeah, it
pretty
was. Yeah. And then we're going to do some iron pumping. We're gonna push some weights. I can't even walk. Wedding.
It's wedding time, baby.
Woohoo!
Check out this gift bag.
Yeah, gift bag's wild, huh?
He's gonna like that. All right. We looking fly. We looking fresh.
Head to wedding. The guy's a little. I didn't even iron it.
Did you iron?
No.
What? I told you where the iron was.
Where? What good is an iron without an ironing board? Damn it. You got glitter on you, man.
Where?
It's all over. Check. Get away from me.
So stupid. Bag.
They're all glittered up. No, I didn't iron it because
We're waiting here for the boat. They're still taking pictures. All right, pose for a picture. It's a video. That's what you wanted to do. Hey, buddy. I'm excited.
That is awesome.
I'm excited to eat. I'm pretty hungry.
Cake.
Hey, pretty sweet cake. Like 3 guys fighting 1 guy. Look at that. Never been at a wedding on a boat before. Beautiful sunset.
Oh my,
Hey. Oh yeah.
Night is cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you.
Congrats, James! That was fun!
It's an amazing Starbucks or what?
We're in paradise. We are in paradise. Palos Verdes has to be one of the best and most beautiful places to live in LA. It's been a really fun weekend. It's been really cool having Uncle T in town. We did some awesome stuff. The wedding last night was so much fun. Today, he's flying out in a couple hours, so we just came up here, or down here to Palos Verdes just to kind of chill and get some lunch. And then back to the grind tomorrow. This is life, baby. This is life. It's up to you to go get what you want in life. I mean, you can shortchange yourself and tell yourself that you won't be able to accomplish what other people can. Or, oh, I could never have that, or that person's so lucky. This has nothing to do with luck. People who live here, right on the ocean, on these beautiful cliffs, they just decided what they wanted in life, figured out the steps they needed to take to get there, and just did it. You have to make a decision, figure out what steps you need to take in order to get there, and just take those steps. But if you go through life not knowing what it is you want, you're never going to get there. Just a few things I've been reflecting on today. Alright, Uncle T.
Grand time in LA. City of Angels.
It's been pretty darn fun.
City of Angelos.
Back to the grind.
This is what you did to me.
He's still sore from his workout 3 days ago. But we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for joining us.
Crack it.